Welcoming a new employee to your organization is more than just a brief introduction and a quick tour of the office. Onboarding is a crucial phase that sets the tone for a new hire's journey, influences their sense of belonging, and can directly impact their productivity and job satisfaction. A structured and thoughtful onboarding process ensures that each new team member feels welcome, understands their role, and is equipped for success. Whether your organization is a large corporation or a small startup, following a clear and detailed onboarding guide can make all the difference. Let's walk through a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to onboarding new employees. Before the new employee even walks through the door, pre-boarding preparations begin. First, ensure all necessary paperwork is ready, including offer letters, tax forms, and any non-disclosure agreements. Prepare the employee's workspace, setting up a computer, phone, and any required tools or software access. Gathering these items showcases your organization's professionalism and ensures a smooth transition. Next, share a welcome email with the new hire a few days before their start date. This message should include a warm greeting, details about what to expect on their first day, a copy of the agenda, logistics such as what time to arrive, where to park, and who will greet them. You might also provide links to digital resources like the company handbook or training materials, allowing them to review essential information at their own pace. On the first day, focus on building connections and easing nerves. Greet your new employee warmly, introduce them to team members, and give them a tour of the workplace. Show them the break room, restrooms, and emergency exits, as well as important communal spaces. Personal introductions are essential. Taking the time to have colleagues personally greet the new hire fosters a sense of community right from the start. After initial introductions, schedule an orientation meeting. This is the time to review the organization's history, mission, and core values. Explain the company's structure, outlining various departments and how they fit together. Highlight key people the new hire should know: managers, HR contacts, and any mentors assigned. A clear understanding of the organization's culture and values helps new employees feel aligned with the company's goals. Address administrative requirements early. Guide the new employee through essential paperwork, tax documents, benefits enrollment forms, direct deposit information, and emergency contacts. If your organization relies on time-tracking software or ID badges, now is the time to set these up. Facilitating this process early prevents confusion and lets the employee focus on their role. Next, provide a detailed overview of the employee's specific role and responsibilities. Arrange a one-on-one meeting with their supervisor or manager to explain daily tasks, project timelines, and expectations. Share a written job description if possible, and clarify short-term and long-term goals. This meeting should offer the new hire the opportunity to ask questions and understand how their work contributes to the organization's success. Technology is central to most modern workplaces, so introduce all the tools and systems the new employee will use. Offer a practical demonstration of the company's email system, instant messaging platforms, document sharing software, and any specialized tools relevant to their job. Ensure login credentials and instructions are provided, and have IT personnel on hand to troubleshoot any issues. Mentorship is a powerful onboarding tool. Assign a mentor or buddy to accompany the new hire through their first weeks or months. A mentor can answer questions, explain unwritten rules, and provide insights into company culture, smoothing the transition and building confidence. Regular check-ins with the mentor also encourage open communication and early problem solving. Training and development are essential, even beyond initial onboarding. Arrange formal training sessions covering job-specific software, company policies, product knowledge, or compliance requirements. Allow the new employee to shadow a colleague, observe meetings, and participate in ongoing workshops. Interactive training helps employees retain information and feel prepared for responsibility. Encourage feedback and two-way communication. Set up regular check-ins with the manager during the first week and continue weekly or bi-weekly meetings throughout the initial months. Use these opportunities to address any concerns, clarify expectations, and ensure the new hire feels supported. These sessions are also vital for managers to provide early, constructive feedback, celebrate quick wins, and identify any challenges before they escalate. Welcoming new employees into the company's social fabric is just as important as teaching them about work procedures. Invite them to lunch with colleagues, encourage their participation in team meetings, and include them in company events. Activities outside of work, or casual gatherings like coffee breaks, help build relationships and camaraderie. As the new employee settles in, offer opportunities for self-paced learning. Share resources like access to your company's knowledge base, video tutorials, reference documents, and learning modules. Encourage them to take initiative in learning, asking questions, and exploring processes on their own. Demonstrating that your organization values ongoing education boosts engagement and growth. Periodically, check the employee's progress with a formal onboarding review, typically at the end of the first month and again at the end of the probationary period or 3 months. Use these check-ins to revisit goals, acknowledge achievements, and discuss areas for improvement. Gather feedback from the employee about their onboarding experience. This insight will help refine your onboarding process for future hires and demonstrates that you value employee input. Finally, ensure that a sense of support and open communication endures beyond the onboarding period. Continue to provide access to resources, encourage questions, and maintain regular one-on-ones. Offer professional development opportunities and career path guidance to keep new employees motivated and invested in their future with your company. A thoughtful onboarding process benefits both employees and organizations. It reduces turnover, accelerates productivity, and cultivates a welcoming culture where new hires feel valued from day one. By meticulously preparing for their arrival, providing comprehensive orientation and training, fostering communication and relationship building, and supporting ongoing development, you set the foundation for long-lasting success. When new employees are welcomed and set up for triumph, they, in turn, help your organization thrive.